Hi, good morning, everyone. I am Derek, and this is Yiping. So
Hello.
this is our project page. As you can see, we are already on the AWS. We have already deployed there. And yeah, we are representing our group D-SKYZ. Okay. So first is our login. Basically, we're gonna log in with an administrator account. Our idea here is that administrators should be able to see all basic location reports and group identification reports as well. So the only difference between an administrator and a user is that an administrator can see everything plus the bootstrap. A user would only be able to see everything else except the bootstrap. So going to bootstrap, we will first load the sample data, and that is under here. So we also made it visible enough for the users to know that the page is loading, and they just have to give it a few seconds for us to finish loading. So this wouldn't take very long. It should be done anytime now. Yep, it is done, and we can also add data on top of this, like what is this? You just add any of this. Okay. This will be even faster. Yeah. So it will show, basically we want to display the errors in a very intuitive way for the user or the administrator. Our future features, we might be, not future features, basically when we have time, we're just going to make this more user friendly. So moving on to our location reports, Yiping will now take over.
Okay, so for the locations report, first we'll go through the breakdown by the year, gender, and school. So everything is preset here for testing purposes. So when we submit, press the submit button, it will load, the cube will start rolling again. And so how we decide to present this is that you can see like there's multiple boxes here. So out of 15% of the total users, out of the total users, 15% are actually from the year 2013, and then we further break it down into the gender, male and female, which constitute to 8% of the total users and 7% respectively. And here you can see the count of these users, these female users. So there's one female student under School of Economics, 2 in the School of Law, and 35 under SIS. And so the breakdown continues on and on and on. Okay, so our next functionality will be the top K popular places. So for this functionality, you basically just have to select the date that you wish and how what is the top K that you want, and when you press submit, the results will come out, and it will show the ranking here, the name of the semantic place here, as well as the total number of users in each places. And so yeah, for the rank 5 and rank 6, currently we are trying to work on making them into just one single rank 5, since they have the same number of users. We are still working on that, but it should be debugged relatively soon. And yeah, thank you.
Thank you.
Have a nice day.